Well, on another adventure, word gets around in a small town. Put one pump house up, and then they come out of the woodwork. So, got a lead on another one that I'm going to go check out right now. Brought my tape measure and my trusty little handy dandy notebook. I'm going to walk down this path. Just drove up here on this long road in the middle of nowhere. Nice view up here off power lines. But go walk back, take a look at this thing, and try not to fall in my rump as I walk back. Looks a little moist. Well, we found it. Short little walk back, a little path, a little four-wheeler path. First impressions with her, not bad. I mean, that missing, that's fixable. It's just wood and tin. Big thing is it's not like all crushed down into the ground. Although it looks like a tree. I tried to do that. But yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, definitely had a fight with a tree. Looks like the original exhaust may have came out there for whatever engine was in this originally, or on this originally, I should say. A lot of the pumpers are going to these Predator motors. Most of the wells around here are Bria and Clinton wells, so these little Predator motors do fine, especially with all those counterweights on there. Don't look bad. First time really taking a look at it. Roof line's pretty good other than where the tree hit. Definitely smaller than the one I got already. But the tin's good. Like I said, the wall missing's not a big deal. I got tin. I can get boards. Let's say there's the tree that tried to cave the roof in. Almost succeeded. This has got the fancy smancy sliding windows too. Although that one's missing some window panes. Why need that window when you got a big giant open wall? Complete with cannonball hole. I don't think this was around during the Civil War. Just a guess. Oh, it all looks pretty good though. Like I said, that looks like where the exhaust on the original motor may have popped out. Just a guess though. And I'm by no means an expert. All my friends will tell you that. But I like it. I believe I got a candidate to go in it already. I have an oil well supply company pump jack, and then I'll need to track down a oil well supply company engine. But the pump jack's fairly, I wouldn't say small, just compact. It'd fit in here. I'm guessing this building's probably around 8 foot wide, 12 foot long, something like that. Just using my calibrated eyeball. It fit perfect in there. So, looks like I had another one to tear down. Hope you're ready for another boring video. Hey there, how you doing? You thought the video was over, but it's not. I thought I'd give a little bit of updates. Some projects I got going on. Obviously, if you have watched any other videos on my channel, you've seen me go get this. This window is for the pump house that I already have. And I was creative, or at least I think I was. I went and bought replacement glass for the windows. Picture frame glass from Hobby Lobby. It's cheaper than getting panes, and they just happen to be 8x10 panes. So I needed 6. So that should take care of that. This here is a cylinder head and mixer for a 5-horse air motor that I got. I'm going to have a guy copy this one, do the fancy dancy, scan it, 3D computer image stuff, real high-tech Jay Leno type stuff, and have a new one cast. I'll show you the one that I got. It's got wrong head on it, and I'd like to make it correct because it's kind of an uncommon engine. Find a way to get back to it. But the cylinder head it's laying out there, as you can tell, is different. The exhaust is coming out of the top when that's supposed to be out the side. This has a Lunkenheimer carburetor on it, mixer, which is incorrect. It's supposed to be an updraft carb into the side, and just completely wrong head. I think that's a Fuller and Johnson head, actually, just kind of way it looks. This engine runs, but not well on gasoline. Runs pretty decent on propane, but I want to make it right. Some other junk in here. Been moving it from my dad's. So I got that. I got all these things to work on at some point before I die. Put my shelving up. Still got more stuff to move here. There's my boards for the shelving. Need to cut them down to size and get it put up. I still got parts, tracking down parts for the International here. Talking to some Amish, I think I found this piece I need to borrow to get it recast. And oh yeah, I bought more stuff. Big stuff. Got two 12-horse Patton economy powers. This one's stuck. Flywheel's off of it. Cylinder's got a bunch of cracks in it. This one ain't terrible, but if you take a look at it, that connecting rod's not supposed to be up that high. Got a repair here, it needs to be done, but this is complete. So it's a good candidate to get running. Take a little bit of work, but I got a whole other parts engine. This is for a buddy of mine, the two Fairbankses with the radiators on top, and this came in the deal too. Got some good parts on it. It's for sale if anybody wants it. There's the nice repairs, but yeah. More junk. Get it running or put it in the woods for just display purposes. Looks like the ants have already found it. There she is though. Had some nice colored glass in it. Both of them. So yeah, there we go. More projects for me. Stay tuned.